In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste content from Microsoft Copilot to a Word document the right way. So let's dive in. Our goal is to make the entire process as smooth as possible, ensuring that your formatting stays intact and everything looks professional. First, let's get started by heading over to your web browser and opening Google. It's always the first step in getting to where you need to go. Once you're on the Google homepage, type in Microsoft Copilot. This search will direct you toward the right resources, and you'll see an array of different links pop up on the results page. Your task is to click on the official Microsoft Copilot website link. Doing this will take you directly to the platform where we're going to generate some content. Now that we're on Microsoft Copilot's website, it's time to create a prompt. In this example, we'll be focusing on explaining entrepreneurship for beginners. Your prompt should be as detailed as necessary to get the sort of response you're looking for. You might say something like, "Explain entrepreneurship for beginners in a simple and clear way. Break it down into what entrepreneurship means, key skills needed, common types of businesses, steps to start your first business, and beginner mistakes to avoid." Asking for a friendly and easy-to-understand tone will help you communicate effectively with your audience. Once your prompt is complete, go on and click the Submit button. After you've clicked Submit, Microsoft Copilot will generate a response for you. This content is what you'll be working with, so go ahead and highlight the entire response. With the text selected, you'll need to copy it. You can usually do this by right-clicking with your mouse and selecting Copy from the context menu, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac users. Next, let's switch gears and open Microsoft Word. Create a new document or navigate to the document where you wish to place the content. Once you're set, right-click within your document where you want the text to go and select the Paste option. But pay attention here. You'll see an option that says Keep Source Formatting. This is crucial. By selecting this option, you maintain the formatting that was originally in Copilot, so your content looks as it was intended. And that's it. You've now successfully copied and pasted content from Microsoft Copilot to a Word document while keeping everything in the right format. It's a process that's straightforward, but taking care to keep the formatting ensures your work looks polished and professional. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your success or any questions you might have in the comments below.